My name is Paul Nicole and I've been in the English language teaching business for about 17 years, helping students like you reach your learning goals and get the English level that you're looking for. Here at Dublin College of Advanced Studies, we have a great set of teachers ranging from 20 plus years experience to other teachers that have been teaching for maybe just 1 year but have a lot of passion for the job, a lot of talent and a lot of insight. So here at the school we focus very much on what we call communicative language learning. So this is where you learn English for a purpose of communicating something. So when we teach you grammar, for example, is not just grammar for the sake of it, not just a set of rules and formulations, it's how do you use that structure to communicate something? How do you use it to talk about your experience? How do you use it to ask for something? How do you use it to talk about an imaginary situation? Likewise with the skills that we teach you, it's all based on applying them to real life situations, and also the vocabulary. We teach you on the basis of what vocabulary is most useful, what vocabulary are you going to use outside of the classroom, what are you going to use in your place of work, your job. So the whole emphasis on the classroom is that it's the language from the outside world that is taught in the classroom. The classroom is the safe, fun, friendly environment where you can learn, you can experiment, you can make mistakes, and then you're prepared to then go and use that language in the outside world. So we look forward to seeing you here soon.